Hello, hello guys. This is again I am solving a paper in latex. So this time we have a few new chapters uh, like electrostats, gravitation, and current electricity. So we have a paper from yes. So we have this paper and we are gonna solve this paper. So for right now, just let's save this window. So yeah, as you can see, this is the paper for I think next week test. So I made the paper yesterday, and now we are gonna do the solution. So you can do all the questions have their answers right in the options. So yeah, this is from electrostats. Yeah, question number 2 is already solved. I was trying to make diagram and I forgot to be live. So then after I decided to be live, and then I will solve in the stream. So this is from gravitation, and again this is from Ohm's law. This is from electrical resistance, magnetism, again gravitation, current electricity, again current electricity, and again magnetism, some instrument question, then dipole, again magnetism, then gravitation, and in the last we have India type question, which is mostly filled with magnetism, and it's quite easy paper with respect to J, but although each and every question is from previous year from J man. So let's get started. I think a few questions are from outside, except I think this one is from outside. Again, this no, I don't remember exactly from where I got this question, but I think it's main. Again, this is from outside. This is from outside, but yeah, remaining is exactly the J main question. So yeah, let's get started from question number 1. I think we should remove this topic. Okay guys, again you can see we have the same form exactly as we were doing in the last paper. So we made a like a definition called solution, and in between we will put the solution part, and it will get rendered out like this. And if we want to remove this part we just have to remove the hashtag one, and it will render blank. So as you can see, the solution for the second problem is gone now. So this is how you can put solution as well as problem in the same document in latex, and it's quite convenient whenever you want to see reference or anything in the future. It's quite easy to see from where you're getting the solution, like that, and solution answer as well. So this is the most convenient way for me, and maybe for you some other way around, but I like this way. As you can see in the last paper, as you can see, I just put it all the solution and answer in the same paper, and it's looking quite good. Of course you can change the color of solution part. Even whenever you want to print, you must change to black, because red just does not print pretty dark, or if you want to print color, it's fine. Previous document was like paper 2. I didn't do the solution of paper 1 either live or anyway. You can see like nothing is here in the document as well. I just put the problem in the paper 1, and after paper 1 I thought let's do differently, and I started doing solution for each and every problem. Those of you who don't know, every Sunday actually I am working in an institution. Actually it's an NGO, so I make paper for the test, because JEE main exam is coming in January, I think January last week. So for that revision is going on, and I make paper every week from the different topics. So this week topics are like electrostats, current electricity, gravitation and magnetism, and for that I make paper and also the solution. So this is the solution part I am doing live web. So let's we should open paper 2. Actually I am using Copilot, so whenever keep open the reference document, it helps in suggestion. So that's why I am opening paper 2 file, as you can see, and in this we have the solution in the proper manner. So Copilot will like go through all this solution, and according to that it will suggest in the new document. So this way it will complete I think much more in a consistent way. So this helps. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly we have a sphere, solid sphere, and charge is distributed non-uniformly. As you can see in the function, there is a function given for the charge density, and it is varying from 0 to radius according to this function, and after capital R, charge is 0 because there is no charge outside the sphere. And for this function we have to find the electric field at this point inside the sphere. So for this we can apply the Gauss theorem pretty easily, but for that we have to find out the charge within this region. So let's make a diagram. I don't know, जब भी मैं लाइव आता हूँ या कुछ बोलता हूँ देन मुझे खांसी होना ज़रूरत है, अदरवाइज इट रिमेन्स साइलेंस like okay, let's keep going. This time I'm gonna explain a little more because some of you emailed me like in live you just don't explain every step you do. So this time I'm gonna explain bit more. So as you can see in the solution definition or command, most of the time we say just command. So we just defined command. For definition, you already know. We just start with the def keyword, or you can just use renew command or new command. Whenever you tap just new, as you can see, there's a bunch of options: new command, new command, new command. Or if you don't know if there is command exists, so you can renew command. So as you can see, renew command starts with a small r, and in that you can define according to your need. And as you can see, we started with the document class called article, and I'm using a custom package called vtestpaper so that I do not have to load all these packages separately. So I wrote a custom package. Let's show you first. So as you can see, these are my custom packages. It's pretty simple. So let's go to vtestpaper. I think yeah, vtestpaper. This is the testpaper, and you can see I have loaded in this custom package vtestpaper all these required packages called geometry, graphics, task, kinematics, and many more packages or custom definition. As you can see, answer int is defined in it, or answer is also defined in it, and J section, section B, section A, like that. And some nodes are also defined here. This helps in drawing efficiently for the laws of motion chapter. So yeah, if you don't want a custom package, then you can just load manually the packages you required. So let's start drawing. So first we just started with the center. Let me explain you the paper pattern. So so as you can see, this is the section. Because of this, all these text are showing in this document. So don't worry about this. We just defined in the v test paper package. This is the package I image, and then after we just started enumerate. Enumerate is a item, and just realized 1 2 3 4 like that. So this is item 1, which means question number 1, and after that you can just say this is the text document. Put it in the center. So this diagram is in the center, and then after we put it a task environment, which is for the options. And as you can see, answer, this is the right answer. For that I have just used the command called as actually this is the construct command defined in the package. And after that we are just putting the solution in the separate command called solution, and in between solution we just started with the arrow, right arrow thing, and then again we are doing the same for the drawing, putting the center and starting the text picture. So let's start with the drawing. So we can start, I think, with the differential part. That will be much better thing. So I can copy all this, and then we can modify this part, and that will be better. So let's run it first. Let's delete this part. This is useless. That thing. And I think we are gonna make a ring. That will be better. So tz ring is the command. We are starting from the O, then putting the radius which is let's say 1.5, and then again putting the center, and then again putting the radius which is 1.75, and we are filling the northeast lines. So this will make a thin differential element. As you can see, this is the thin differential element, and we can decrease the width. I think that will be better, 1.5, and we should remove the point P. That will be better. So as you can see, at r distance, we are assuming the thickness dr. So let's remove this P point, and we can remove further, like thickness of the ring, 1.4. That means thickness will be 0.15. So yeah, as you can see, it's quite good, and point I think is not okay. So let's put here instead dr. That will be better. So dr, again I defined a command called d, in which everything will get differential. So let's put in the right side. As you can see, we defined a dr thickness of ring, and then we place some node, and below right I think will be better, below right. So yeah, dr thickness. Let's find out the charge surrounded from 0 to r. So from that, let's begin with alignment. In that, in the text is another command for the alignment, and let's say something. We can use Gauss law inside